The monitor tab is a very practical instrument to have a quick view on your process and how the instrument performs. On the top you have the time axle, and on the right hand side you can see the dust concentration in milligram per cubic meter or in IEU, inductive electrification units. Here on the bottom you can adjust the time span which is displayed on the monitor. Let's change this from 5 minutes to 10 minutes or back. You can also drag and drop that up to 24 hours, but let's do that quickly. But you can see I'm not that long yet in the office. So let's put that back to 5 or 10 minutes. Then we have different lines here. This one here represents the average value, meaning during the last 5 minutes the average reading of our S304 was 4.12 milligram per cubic meter. Then the first alarm limit, where the first relay will switch, is set to be 25 milligram per cubic meter. Let's give it an artificial signal to the instrument, and you can see that color is changing and that your dust reading goes up. Then the second line, this represents the second alarm limit, which is set in this case to be 80 milligram per cubic meters. And last but not least, we can see the setting of our 20 milliamp line. This is in this case 100 milligram per cubic meter. On top, a little summary: maximum, average and minimum of the last 5 minutes, or if you put it to something else, then it will be of the last 10 minutes. See, the thing has changed. Let's put it back. There's a little change. Yeah, you can change the scaling by enable or disabling the calibration. If it's uncalibrated, the unit will be in IEUs. So now average is 245,000 IEU, and also the scale has changed, as you can see. However, the performance stays the same.